And now, our next one will be their say cheese. So this one, it's a melted cheese and a golden toast. So crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. I'm a big fan of cheese. Set aside lang natin to. And guys, meron po pala siyang dip. Gawa siya sa tomato. Tada! So it's healthy. Gusto ko, kainin siya without yung dip and then next yung may dip. Mm. Guys, yung melted cheese niya, it's a mix of... Ba't kasi nang i-English, pwede mong Tagalog. Yung lasa ng melted cheese, guys, ano siya, lasa siya ng pinaghalo-halong matamis and maalat-alat. Yung alat galing sa cheese and yung tamis galing dun sa tinapay itself. Kasi, ano siya, it's a golden toast. And try pala natin siya with their dip, with their famous dip. And, I'm going to dip it. Okay. Perfect siya with their tomato dip or their tomato sauce kasi mas kakaroon ng lasa. Hindi naman mas nagkakaroon, pero mas bold yung lasa nung say cheese natin kapag meron siyang kasamang dip. Mas ma-appreciate niya yung lasa niya. Okay. Inaintindi ko yung pagkain. Ang sakap kasi guys, sa sarap.